Chapter 1. The Cosmic Lineup. To understand why the moon changes color, we have to look at how the solar system is lining up. Right now, the sun, the earth, and the moon are playing a massive game of cosmic hide-and-seek. The earth is passing directly between the sun and the moon, acting like a giant roadblock in space. It is completely blocking the sun's bright, direct light from hitting the lunar surface. Now, if Earth were just a solid, bare ball of rock with no air, the moon would simply go pitch black and disappear into the night sky. But it doesn't. And the reason why is actually incredibly beautiful. Chapter 2. Why the Moon Turns Blood Red. The reason the moon turns red comes down to one incredible feature: our atmosphere. Our planet is wrapped in a thick, invisible blanket of gases. When the bright white light from the sun hits the edges of Earth's atmosphere, that layer of air acts like a giant glass prism or a giant color filter. Sunlight is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow. As the sunlight hits our atmosphere, the shorter blue colors of light hit the gas particles and scatter away into space. This scattering is exactly why our daytime sky looks blue. However, the red and orange colors of light are much stronger, allowing them to easily survive the trip through the air. As they pass through, they bend and curve through the Earth's atmosphere, shining right out the other side and pointing directly onto the moon in the dark. This is exactly why the moon looks red. Imagine turning off all the lights in a room and shining a bright white flashlight through a red glass bottle onto a white ball. That is what the Earth's atmosphere is doing to the moon. You are basically seeing the combined glow of all the sunrises and sunsets in the world, shining onto the moon at the exact same time.